Hi everyone. By now you should have read through the Let's Get Started orientation and you've watched my welcome video in the course overview page to help answer many of your questions about the course. Make sure you've completed the 2 required assignments, the orientation module, syllabus scavenger hunt quiz, and the discussion, the Introduce Yourself to our class, by Wednesday, October 21st, before moving on to the week 1 module. To refresh, you may want to also review the prerequisite Developmental Math 1 topics found in our Canvas Prerequisite Skills module before you start the week 1 material. So in week 1, we're going to dive into real numbers, chapters 1.8 to 1.9, converting measurements, chapters 1.10, and solving equations and inequalities, chapters 2.1 to 2.7. This is a short 8-week course, so don't wait until the last part of the week to get started. Start immediately. Please review the specific week 1 learning objectives as well as the sample schedule, which I've placed in the weekly overview page to assist you with time management. To achieve the learning outcomes, you'll need to read through the free online OpenStax textbook, take notes, and watch the instructional videos. Then complete the homework assignments for chapters 1.8 to 1.10 and 2.1 to 2.7. Next, at the bottom of the week 1 module, you'll see 2 lab assignments and a quiz. You'll practice submitting the lab assignment for the mandatory lab component of our course. Our awesome lab facilitators, which you'll meet shortly, Naraya and Erica, will host 5 weekly lab support sessions on Zoom to help you complete the lab assignments. I strongly recommend you attend a minimum of 2 of these lab support sessions each week. Well, don't hesitate to reach out to me for assistance. Have a great week.